Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a DIY night lamp. For this, first I have taken this white cartridge sheet, and now with the help of this bowl I am going to draw a circle. You can take any size bowl, but you just need to keep one thing in mind, that the size of this circle is going to determine the size of your lamp. So now I will cut this out, and we will require 21 of these circles. So now on the first circle I am going to mark these 3 points to form an equilateral triangle inside the circle. This triangle or this equilateral triangle cannot be a perfect equilateral triangle, but you just need to give it your best try. So after this I will just join these points to make this triangle, and now with the help of this scale only I will try to fold the edges of this triangle, as you can see in the video. So now after the edges are folded, I am going to use this one as an stencil to fold the sides of or make an equilateral triangle on other circles, as I cannot keep on going with each one of them to mark the points. So I am using this one as a stencil. I will complete this thing, and now I have divided this in a number 5, 5, 10. So now I have taken this 5 one, there are 5 triangles in this, and I am going to place them as you can see in the video. I will try to form a pentagon kind of shape, and after this I will try to glue them together. So now I will do the same thing with the second one, but in this one you just need to keep one thing in mind, that you need to leave a slit, as you can see here. Actually I accidentally glued it and then unglued it. And with these 10 pieces we need to form a long chain, and to form a chain it is very easy, as you can now see in the video. We just need to keep placing them alternately, with one of the triangle facing upwards and the second one facing downwards, pointed downwards. And we need to do this with all 10 of them to form a long chain. And now as you can see, the chain is complete. We will just roll them to make a circle. I don't know how to explain this, see in the video, and glue the edges together. And after doing this is going to be the middle part of our lamp, and both of these pieces are going to be on the top and on the bottom. So like this, and I'm going to glue this on it. So here, as you can see, this one is going to be on the top, which the one with the slit. So now the ball kind of thing is complete, and the slit we left, it has a purpose. And I had this fairy light lying around, sorry, and I have just kept it inside this lamp, as I did not have a bulb. You cannot also use a bulb if you have, or you can also use this. I have stippled these sides of the lamp here to make it a little firm, and your lamp is complete. So now I'm going to show you some of the footage or photos from the dark or night. So I hope you like this video. Give it a like if you really like.